Hello, this is Somya Mim from Myanmar. I create the wind farm, maybe the windmill modeling with Blender with a low poly, high poly workflow. And yeah, let's see this part or low poly, high poly workflow with not this one. Or the set off and the upper bed, lower bed, and the controller with a low poly, high poly. This is high poly view, and this is low poly view. I export the low poly part as FBX for the Unity and the game, and the high poly is also need to export for the substance as a baking texture for normal. So I select the lower bed and the fine, export and FBX, and we surely need to be select the object and the experimental applying transform for the changing of transformation upward and downward and rotation. Okay, I didn't select this first and create first as showing as an example. Lower bed, no. No. I mean not experimental. Select the object is already need, and the lower bed no transform change. Okay, and another export is fine export FBX and the experimental applying transform for this name for lower bed FBX and export, and the upper bed also like this too, and the export FBX is select the object and the experimental applying transform with the upper bed UPPER and the controller too. FBX, select the object, experimental applying transform, and the name as controller. CONTROLLER, controller. Okay then. So here is, where is it? Here's the 3 and the plus without transformation change. Fine, we got all. So I create the new Unity project. Okay. And so long time. Okay, new. At the desktop, a recording folder. Because this is only showed for you. Yeah, sure, nice. Okay, Unity project. And yep, select this folder and desk import. IMPORT, maybe import or import. I don't know. Here is a Unity project. In there, access on something like that. Maybe wait someday. Okay. But I skipped some but about the creating texture with the low poly, high poly workflow and baking and like this, because I got these all are the normal by baking and texturing substance painter, but I currently can't use the substance painter because it is expired. I'm using with the student account. Yeah, I'm still student, final year student. Okay, yeah, here's I have no idea to do. Okay, I should create a new account. Okay, let's see. Here's Unity, and I didn't do here. Festival. I show with this part and the drag and drop. There's automatically generate the material by the name we given here. Here is a material name. This need, and also UV unwrapping. UV image editor. UV unwrapping. All the UV unwrapping by Smart UV Smart UV project like this, because there is no much time to be maxing and generate and calculating. It's so hard. Okay, this one is I didn't change the transform and the seaweed here. This come out the reality is upward back. There is a local and global problem is orca. Okay, X0 will be like this. Then no problem is local and global. Okay, perspective. Yeah, I delete this one and also this one, and also material too. Yeah, and then import the other part to show the real right way to export, and set here all the material and cut and the controller and something or the cat. 1, 2, 3, day. Okay. Okay, nice. It is. Yeah. We can change easily here by color and change which material is which, because the material is already set by the Blender with the element 0. I use just single size, one size of material, one material per object, because it is lighter on the mobile game. Okay, let's see with the texture. Texture all the folder. I didn't need the metadata because there's a old. I got this file from old project. Okay, and import all maybe 12 PNG. Yep, this order. Okay, so this middle part, upper house, and this upper house as this material, this upper house as this material, and upper albedo transparency. So just white is better. So I do with this color. Upper house with ambient occlusion, material smoothness, and then normal. Normal is need to be fixed now because of the texture type is default and the normal. Okay, here easily click to fix now, very smooth. Because low poly, high poly workflow and like a brick-like texture. Yes, it is nice because of the power of substances. Okay, low poly, lower bed also the same like this, and lower bed albedo transparency, and AO. I round. Lower bed is here. Albedo transparency, AO, material smoothness, and then normal. Boom. Yeah, nice. There is texture is painting, not reality, just paint the texture. And the controller too. Albedo transparency, AO, material smoothness, and the normal. Boom. And you can rotate now. That's not pretty enough because I am not good at modeling. Okay, I think that's all I need for the given material or something like that. So if you are doing with another cube or modeling cube, edit. So only this phase for a new material and give this as upper and the middle as this two to mid. Oh no, I wrong click. Oh no. Okay, this one as upper and assign and the plus. Select this as middle. Oh, assign. I select this. Yeah. I'm not using planner. So upper. Oh, what's wrong with this? Oh, click with new and middle. Okay, just click all the material files and the lower like this, and select this and this and select the middle and assign this and for the assign upper and the volume below bed and lower and assign. That's all. And create with I need to it is surely need for creating UV as a smart project because for the substances is without UV there is nothing to do. But I didn't show with this. But and export object mode, I select the object, and I didn't need to change the Control A to location, rotation, scaling because it is essential for game development. If we make this here and changing the size X, Y, Z, that will be nothing. No change at there. Export FBX. I will show you example. It's run apply transform and select the object. That is essential. And just cube. Export. Here's a just cube. Ding. There is no new material. It's already here, and the just cube is here, and there is big with the scale of this. So we are no need to change. If we are already set as a right click and control A and a scale, then 111. So we are export just cube big. Okay, experiment apply transform, select the object. There is essential. Okay, just cube big. Set here. After the second time we add this has no new material will be created automatically, and the just cube big is here with 111, and the just cube big just cube is 444. There is a difference between its control A choosing or not, and then if we are small like this. Okay, about the material, we are using 3 material with a single object. For the upper, you can change the color. Also the mid and the lower too. Okay, I hope this video will be useful for you. If you need something anymore, you can contact me anytime. Yeah, see you soon.